the two-handed alternating kettlebell swing, one of my personal favorites. Just like the two-handed and one-handed kettlebell swing, the same form applies. You're going to hinge at your hips. Stance is exactly the same. You're going to pack your shoulders. Arms are ropes, hands are hooks. I'm going to demonstrate the exercise first and pick it apart. Start with two hands. We already know two hands will fit on the bell. You start with two hands, release a hand, switch. Pack the shoulder. You switch the bell when it becomes weightless out in front of you. You don't want to switch the bell when it's underneath you or anywhere from your legs up to your hip. You want to make sure the bell is weightless out in front of you. Switch your hands, come back underneath you. There's two ways to switch your hands. You definitely want to start with the hand together version first. Get that one down. Make sure you get the feeling of the weightlessness out in front of you. The second way to switch hands is you turn the bell slightly and you go finger to finger instead of hand to hand, thumb to thumb this way. Demonstrate the exercise. Turn the bell this way. Two-handed alternating kettlebell swing.